Welcome back to Creating Stuff with Jim. I'm Jim, and it's time to create something. Pour day has finally arrived. Like I said, it is finally here. It's a little bit warm out, but that's not a big deal. I've already been out working on it, trying to get a few things ready just to make sure I don't have any last minute surprises. So, now all I really got to do is I just need to wait for my help to arrive, and the concrete should be here around noontime. So I'll tell you what, I'm excited to get this over with. So tell you what, like I said, I'll bring you back when action starts happening. Well, believe it or not, it has been 2 days since I poured this concrete slab. As you can see, I'm walking on it, and although this is taking me probably more than a month or so to do this, the scary thing is 2 days ago when I poured this, it was 80 degrees. And in the last 48 hours, it dropped 40 degrees because it was 40 degrees this morning. So actually, I think it dropped 40 degrees in less than 12 hours. But where I live in Virginia, that's what our weather does. That's what you gotta do. This is what I deal with. So, but there you go. It still has some time to cure. Like I said, it still has some time to cure. Like I said, because I'm going to wait a couple of weeks before I put the carport back on it, before I put weight on it. But basically, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to knock the forms off, and then all this extra concrete, and that right there, that was all the extra concrete I had. So I was cutting it pretty close, but luckily it worked out. So I gotta break all this concrete up, get rid of the concrete. Like I said, take the forms off, and then it'll probably be a couple of weeks before I bring it back to put the carport back. So it's a little chilly, so I'm gonna quit my yakking and get to work. So I'll see you after the time lapse. Well, I'd like to end this episode right here. I still got a little bit more work to show you, but that's going to be for the next episode. Now, for anybody who's willing to try pouring their own concrete slab by themselves the first time, I will give you a few tips and tricks that I've learned. Is number one, screed your concrete in the direction that the cement mixer is moving. Two is use the cement mixer to your advantage. Don't move the concrete any more than you have to. Try to avoid putting it in a big pile and having to rake it over a couple of feet or longer. So like I said, put a little bit down, move the truck forward, and use the truck to your advantage. And then finally, 3 is take your time. Is although you are on the clock when you're working with concrete, there's no need to hurry. Take your time. Is concrete's heavy, the harder and faster you work, the quicker you're going to wear yourself out, and there's a lot of work to do. So take your time. There's no need to rush. So anyways, and once again, don't be afraid to try. So, but that'll be it for this episode. When I finish it up and finish it the grading and put the carport back on, you gotta come back for next episode. So once again, if you like the video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you did like it, please share it with your friends. So until the next episode, see ya.